but I can't prepare this time. So
Let's get it, man.
yeah. So after we spoke about the kind of cold calling and all that. So after doing another couple hundred names on the list that I had done myself, still sort of getting the same results. I started just kind of looking into other ways to maybe expand and use my time more wisely since I am doing this part time, and I do have a little bit of money I can invest into it. So I'm investing in like a VAs basically for some of the cold calling to have them cold calling on any day that I'm not able to do it myself, so that I'm staying consistent with that. I'm also going to be adding sending out 5,000 text messages to all of the lists to see if I can drum up some business that way, because I know that some people don't like the phone calls or scared to answer the phone. So I'm just trying to kind of diversify what I'm doing. But I'm just like wondering what I know you kind of do a little bit of everything, but would you say that like cold calling kind of has the best results, or it's kind of varies on what you're doing?
Okay. Yeah, so that's a great question. So how to use your time wisely the best in wholesaling real estate? So there's a lot we can do here. So if I want to use my time the best, it would be strictly drawing for dollars and cold calling that list. I can say it a million times. You're virtual, so it's a lot tougher to do.
Yeah.
Cold calling, I would say, is probably the best use of your time. If you do have money, which not a lot of people have the money to get started in this business. So it's an interesting question because you have two things you can do. So if you have money and you have no time, that's great. Just use money to buy the time. And you can actually buy time with a VA, someone from the Philippines, onlinejobs.ph, and have them cold call for you. Mm-hmm. Because your time right now, Mike, is best spent not marketing. It's the truth. Not even doing dispo. Your time is best spent doing acquisitions, locking up deals over the phone. That is the difference between you can do than anyone else. I can hire someone, but where you're best at right now would be getting deals under contract since you're doing virtual wholesaling.
Yeah.
So if you had all the money in the world, I'd set up a VA to do the cold calling for you. You can pull your own list, and then you are the one who's actually locking up these deals. That's where your time's best spent. Now, if you have no money, but you have a lot of time, how to use that time wisely? You got to do the marketing and you got to do everything yourself. So overall, I can tell you right now, if you have the money, get a VA and start working on the acquisitions part if your time is very limited. If you have more time, do the cold calling and the drawing for dollars. That's what I could say, and do niche lists. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people, so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.